In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning word art in Microsoft Word to transform your ordinary text into something visually appealing and professional. Whether you're preparing a document for work or school, adding a creative touch can make all the difference. Let's dive right into it and explore how you can enhance your document with these simple steps. First, ensure you have your Microsoft Word document open and ready. If you haven't done this yet, go ahead and navigate to the file you wish to embellish. Once your document is on the screen, you want to focus on the toolbar at the top. Here, you will find various tabs designed to help you manipulate different aspects of your document. To start creating word art, you'll need to click on the Insert tab, which is typically located between the Home and Design tabs. This tab contains a host of features that allow you to add supplementary elements like pictures, tables, and of course, word art. Within the Insert tab, you should find the section designated for text additions. Look carefully, and there you will see an icon labeled Word Art. Clicking on this will present you with several predefined styles from which you can choose. These styles range from simple outlines to more extravagant options that include gradients and special effects. For this demonstration, let's go with the first option available. Feel free to experiment with the others once you've gotten the hang of this process. Once you've selected your preferred word art style, it's time to type in the text you want to feature. This is where your creativity comes into play. Make sure your message is clear and right to the point. Hit enter once your text looks good, and Microsoft Word will automatically apply the word art style to your text. But we're just getting started. Let's add some customization to give it a unique flair. Now, to further refine your word art, look up at the toolbar again and navigate to the new tab called Shape Format that has appeared. This tab contains a plethora of styling options to further enhance the look of your word art. Under this tab, you'll notice a group labeled Word Art Styles. From here, click on Text Effects. This option reveals another selection of visual effects you can apply, such as shadows, reflections, and glows. But for this tutorial, we are going to focus on Transform. By selecting Transform, another submenu will appear, displaying an array of curved effects designed to warp your text into arcs, waves, and more. This is the step where you can get really creative. Choose the transformation effect that suits your style or the message you're trying to convey, and watch how your word art morphs into a fantastic piece of art. And there you have it. You're done. You now have a visually captivating piece of text that stands out and adds personality to your document. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you want to create or modify word art. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide both helpful and inspiring. Enjoy creating amazing documents with word art.